Thanks, Mom. Dati rough road yan. Ngayon medyo sementado na siya. Avalon. 8 ang start. So we're here at wala pa kaming ticket. So we're gonna get this one. Sa avalonzoo.ph mismo. Kasi pag sa Klook 600, pag regular 800, 600. So dito, tatlo kami 1,350. So pumapatak 450 lang per person. If my math is correct. I just Tayo lang kami receipt. Hi girl. Oh. Red stroller and wheelchair for rent. So they have drinks. Duck! Yes, duck! May stroller kami. Stroller friendly naman dito. Pa Australia ka pa, may wallaby pala dito. Andres, nakatayo siya.
Kita mo, Andres?
Ayun o, jaguar o. Ano mag-clap? Okay, so mag-feed kami ng monkey. So, medyo matigas pa eh. Galit.
Galit na yung monkey.
Kita niyo yung mukhang yan? Antok na yan. Antok na.
Every single day is gonna be a good day. Every single day is gonna be a good day. With you, with you, Let me see what it looks like through your beautiful eyes. Colors, colors.
So we're done. So ginawa lang namin siya in 2 hours.
Yeah.
Pero marami rin kaming skip like yung reptile tsaka yung
Yung mga birds.
tsaka yung crocodile na ano kasi mahirap na. 41 na. Ready na to mag-nap. So priority namin yung mga big animals. So far,
Yung mga highlights talaga.
did you enjoy?
Yeah.
Okay, bye-bye!